your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Here's the clear door. Yeah! They're on!
Have a little old time run with old Bill, eh? Come on now.
We're on an investment, leaving hijacking.
y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
We are having dinner at the Wave of American Flavors in the Contemporary Resort, right next to Magic Kingdom. This is their special seasonal cocktail menu, which looks really good. I have to try one or two of those. We haven't been able to show you menus at the restaurants because they're not handing out paper menus anymore. You have to scan the QR code, which really just pulls up the menu on the restaurant's website so you can choose what you want to eat and drink. We've been here before for breakfast but never for dinner, and we've always had a really good experience at breakfast, so we're excited to try dinner here at the Wave.
Dinner last night. Yeah, I had salmon. Delicious sauce. There were some shrimp in there. They called them something. There was a special name for them.
It was rock shrimp.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. So it had like a jambalaya and with rock shrimp, as the base, I guess, and the salmon served over top of that. Both were really good. The jambalaya was good. The shrimp were good. The salmon was amazing. The salmon there was another sauce to it. It just added so much flavor. And it was awesome. I managed to eat all the salmon and a little bit of the jambalaya. But I loved it.
And you had the crab cakes for your appetizer, right?
Yep, those were very tasty. I don't go around ordering crab cakes much, but they were the best I've had. They were very, very good. There's some slaw in the middle. Came with a green sauce and a white sauce, like little dobs here and there. 2 different sauces, and the white one was the best.
Yeah, the white one was definitely the best. Yeah, and I had, for my appetizer, I had what used to be on the menu, and it was called bacon and eggs. But it's no longer on the menu, and I was going to ask if I could get it anyway, but before I could even do that, the waiter said, oh, we have a special appetizer tonight, and then he began to describe the bacon and egg, which I've heard just rave reviews of and had to try, so I had to get that. And it's a pork belly and a poached egg and cheddar grits, and it is absolutely amazing. I would go out of my way just to order that dish. Like, it was so, so good. And then for my entree, I had the beef tenderloin, which came with potatoes, gratin, and seasonal vegetables. And the seasonal vegetables were the biggest asparagus I have ever seen. They were huge, and they were really good. They were, you know, fairly simply cooked, but they were tasteful. And the cheesy potatoes gratin were so, so good. Enjoyed those immensely. It was kind of, I don't know, like a lasagna almost, like layered, and then with cheese on
made
top.
out of layers of potato and then a layer of cheese.
Yeah. And then the beef was okay. It was well cooked. It wasn't like dry or anything like that, but it wasn't anything really special. It had a sauce that was good. It definitely added to the dish, but overall, my entree was good, but it wasn't anything that I would specifically go out for. You know what I mean? Like I
Wouldn't make a special trip for it.
Right, yeah, exactly. Like the bacon and eggs, on the other hand, I would go almost anywhere to get that. Like, that was so good. But yeah, service was pretty good.
Oh yeah.
We've never had an issue really with service at the Wave.
No, I didn't have any issues with the service last night.
Overall, it was a really nice dinner, and looking forward to going back for breakfast tomorrow.